Hello guys, my name is Aman and today I'm going to help you how we can install the free version of Office Suite for the Windows computer. For that, what we have to do, we need to open the browser, whatever you have, like if you have Google Chrome, Firefox, or you can use Microsoft Edge, whatever you have. You have to open the browser, then you have to go to Google, and once the Google will be open, you need to search for the LibreOffice. Let me type there, LibreOffice download. And once we'll type there, I have to hit the enter and I'll get the multiple options. So you can see that there is the first option to install the LibreOffice. So I'll click on that. And once I will click on that, I will get the options to download the file. And there's a multiple options according to your Windows operating system. If you are using the Windows 64-bit, so you can select Windows 64-bit, or you can select Windows 32-bit, or you can select for the Linux. So I have Windows 64-bit, so I'll select that and I'll click on download. Once I will click on download, a file will be downloaded in my computer. So I'll go to my download to see that is the file downloaded or not. So I'll click on that and I'll see the file that the file is about to download. I have to wait for some time. Now we can see that the file has been downloaded. So once the file will be downloaded, I have to double click on that. And once I'll double click on that, I will get a prompt to install it in my computer. You can see that I got a box to install it, and a prompt will come to your desktop screen. So you need to click all the positive steps like next, install and finish. So I'll click on next, and I'll get multiple options like modify, repair or remove, because these are like Office has been installed to my computer. So if I want to modify, so I can select my modify. If I want to repair, so I have to select for repair, or if I want to remove and install some other operating system, so we need to select for remove. So I do not want to do anything because it's already been installed to my computer. But what you have to do, you will get the options to install it. So you need to click on next and you need to click all the positive options. And once the process has been completed, you will get the options to finish. Once you'll finish this process, the Office has been installed in your computer, and if there will be any kind of files like the Microsoft Word file, Excel, or any kind of PPT, so that will be easily open in your computer. You can see that the LibreOffice has been installed to my computer. So what I have to do, when we just type the LibreOffice, and I'll get the options that it has been installed to my computer. You can see that it has been installed. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.